Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL in your PC. To do this you have to go to the browser and then search for MySQL. Go to the first link. Here you can see downloads. Click here, go down, and here you can see MySQL community, and that is GPL, then downloads, right? So just click here, MySQL community GPL downloads, and here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Just click here. So go to the second one and click here download, and then click here no thanks, just start my download. Here you can see start downloading. So when the download will be complete, I will be back. We have downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. Double click on it. Now let's go for the custom. So I'm going to select the custom and then next. The first one select, and then so this I actually want to drag and drop it to the right side. So the way is just select the server and then select this green button here, and it will actually go to the right side. I mean to be actually installed option here, and then go for the application MySQL Workbench. We just have to keep it also in the right side because I actually want to install them. Right now MySQL shell, so this one, just click the right arrow. So we want to actually install these three. So now let's go next. So we have already installed it. So now let's go here. Actually want to go to the file location. So actually I want to delete this one. Next. Then we just have to execute it. So install all of them. Now let's go for the next. Then next. Next. Then select next. So now next. Okay. And then go to the next, click execute, then click on finish. Next, keep as it is, then click on finish. So this is the MySQL Workbench control panel, and here just you have to give the password, and my password is I don't want to share. So okay, and here you can see MySQL Workbench. So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.